review how to do bat dog. You have it on your iPads. And bat dog is a strategy for what? Someone tell me what we use bat dog for.
Short answer.
Short answer. Thank you, Matt. We use it for answering our short answers and for responding well. So, as you remember, we have some perceptual modes that we use with bat dog. Stand up and let's practice those to help you remember. Okay, tell me what B stands for.
Borrow.
Show me. What does B stand for?
Borrow.
Okay, and borrow is we borrow from the question. It's in the first sentence, and it's part of our what, Shelby?
Assertion.
Part of our assertion. Very good. All right, A. What does A stand for?
Answer.
A stands for answer. Great. And we answer the question, and that's still in sentence 1. And what is that? Colin, read that for me.
You answer the question.
You answer the question. Very good. And it's part of your assertion still. So one sentence is B and A. All right, what is T?
Textual evidence.
Textual evidence. And that is, how do we write that textual evidence? What must we do with that textual evidence, Lainey? Remember?
Embed text with quotation marks.
Embed it with quotation marks. Very good. And what 3 things must it be? Everybody. Accurate, relevant, explicit. What must it be?
Accurate, relevant, explicit.
And that is sentence 2. That's our proof. All right. D. What does D stand for?
Depth.
D stands for depth. That is our analysis, and it explains the text, why we use that text, and that is where we explain and elaborate. Sentence 3. All right. Sentence 4 is orbit. Very good. And read what we do when we orbit. Russell?
You orbit back to the beginning of the response.
Very good. And sometimes we don't need a sentence there. When would we maybe not need a sentence? When we're doing a connected selection and we're adding some steps in there. Bat, dot, dog. Very good. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. And lastly is G, which is general statement. Very good. And that's a statement that sums up our response. Very good. Y'all may be seated. Perfect.